What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I talked about Canon M50 as the best budget camera. In this video I'm going to give some lens options for that, so stay tuned. The kit lens that comes with it is great, but the lens that I'm going to talk about today is even better. First up is Canon EF M mount 32mm f1.4. You want that buttery smooth blurry background? Then this is one of them. It's best for portrait photography and landscape photography. Also, if you're a TikTok creator, perfect for that. It's priced right under that $500 range. It's at $479 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Alternative to that, if you were looking for a little bit cheaper option, is Viltrux 56mm. It's also f1.4 aperture, so you get better low light quality video and pictures. It's great for portrait photography, street photography, and TikTok. And it's priced at $279 on Amazon. I have the link in description below. Second lens on my list is the 22mm f2.0. It's a wide angle lens, so it's perfect for landscape photography. And the best part, it's only $249 on Amazon. Link in the description below. Once again guys, thank you for staying with me this long. If you get value in my video, please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave a comment below if you have any other questions. Have a great day. This is Babs from Enjoy Aman Chalafura.